Hello, my name is Amy Riley.
I'm Slade Thackeray.
I'm Claire Wu.
We're here to tell you about the REAL program in the College of Public Health and Human Sciences at Oregon State University.
REAL stands for Required Experiential Arcs of Learning. This program gives students the opportunity to earn 3 credits of hands-on learning
Within their majors, within the first 2 years.
That's right, you don't have to wait until you're a junior or senior to get real life experience.
and start making connections in your career field.
You might be wondering what experiential learning means.
Experiential learning is the process where knowledge is created through the transformation of experience.
It is learning by doing, and it occurs in a cycle.
When students experience things, reflect, think, and act.
The experience is the actual involvement and engagement.
Reflecting involves looking back on the experience and what happened.
Thinking involves making connections and reaching conclusions.
And acting involves putting what you've learned into action.
Think about learning to ride a bike. You got on a bike,
Reflected on how you faltered when your pace was too slow.
thought about the connection between more momentum and better balance, and applied this lesson when you got back on the bike to help you become a more successful rider.
Reading about how to ride a bike,
And learning from others of what to do when riding a bike can be useful.
But there is no substitute for learning that comes from actually riding the bike yourself.
so why is this program required for our students?
Because experiential learning also has significant benefits for you.
Students who participate in experiential learning are more likely to graduate.
These experiences also help you develop skills in communication,
Problem solving.
And critical thinking.
We built this into your major with the REAL program and your internship.
I have been a career advisor for more than 10 years now. I love every minute of it. When I ask my students, why do you come to college? A majority of them would say, I want a better job. So I then ask them, what does a better job look like? More than half of them do not have the answer. Some of them are caught by surprise. Others simply have never thought about it. I want every student to live their dreams. Identifying your dream takes time. Mapping out steps to get to your dream could be complicated, confusing, sometimes even overwhelming. But you don't need to do it all by yourself. The courses in the REAL program provides you tools and resources to support the pursuit of your dream.
I completed 3 different REAL courses: Coaching for Youth Sports, Know Your Career Self, and Project Industry Awareness. The REAL program is very hands-on and gives an experience that is more than just sitting in a classroom. I got to work with kids and learn a lot of helpful techniques on how to coach different ways. All of these classes are different from the traditional type of classes because they are hands-on, making it a more intimate experience for students. I was able to feel that I was getting the experience I need for future professions and other types of jobs I may be interested in. These credits are more than just a class or a requirement. They help provide worthwhile experiences and important skills needed in different fields. These courses were some of my favorite at OSU this year and have been very beneficial for my learning experience in college.
Everything you do in life will be related to other people. It's vital that you work now to discover where you belong, who your people are, and who will help you to uncover all that you need to know to navigate school, work, and life beyond university. The REAL program is a pivotal intervention for students in our college to find connection and belonging. If you feel frustrated or confused, or any combination of those complex emotions, the REAL program will help you tease apart those feelings while connecting you with real-life work experiences.
So during my freshman year, I participated in the Excel in Action program and the Ursa Engage program, which is an undergraduate research opportunity. So if you choose to go into research, I'd highly recommend that you go for it, just because not only do you get credit, you also gain essential research skills and you make valuable connections with the faculty. What I liked about the Excel program was that I got to work alongside the Clackamas County Public Health Advisory and work with real data that they provided me. And I think the best part was that it was a good way to really get a hands-on experience and really understand how things worked in the real world. I thought it had a great balance between the lectures and hands-on work. The lectures really helped me understand the different functions within Excel, many of which I actually learned in this course. And whatever I learned through the lectures, I was able to apply onto the project that I was working on with the Cockman's Health Advisory.
Even though completing these credits is required, we want you to remember that you have the opportunity to choose a course. Want to work with kids? Check out Coaching for Youth Sports. Want to get to know a professional already doing the job you're interested in? Maybe Catalyst is the best choice. Do you want to study abroad or engage in research? Those opportunities can be used to meet this requirement as well. There are so many possibilities. So take time and find what will be best for you. Review the different courses. Talk to your academic advisor, the instructors, or other students.
I participated in Catalyst during my first year at OSU. Catalyst is a program that pairs you with a professional mentor for a year to explore career paths and work on professional development. I loved the personal connection I was able to make with my mentor, the insight she gave me into what I wanted for my own future, and the motivation and confidence I gained participating in a more self-paced and year-long program. Catalyst was different from the traditional class in the way it allowed each individual student to get exactly what they wanted out of it. I was often working on my own to complete assignments and schedule meetings with my mentor, skills that you don't get to practice when all that's expected of you as a student is to attend a lecture on a preset schedule. For other students, it's okay to feel like you don't know what you're doing because anyone you come into contact with through this program understands what it's like to be an undergraduate developing these skills for the first time. Get as much as you can out of the program. The topics you cover apply to so many aspects of your future and the professional world, so it's important to use what you're learning in ways that will make you the best candidate for your future career.